Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to take you on a walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 336 Canyon. The first thing you'll notice is the all-new Yamaha 425s. Adequate power for this boat, for sure. Next thing you'll notice is the Seaport Blue gel coat. We also equipped it with underwater lights. Step aboard and I'll show you some of the great features on a 336. The first thing you'll notice as you come through the transom is this refrigerated fish box. Such a great feature on a 33-foot center console to be able to have this option where you can put your fish in or you can just put your drinks in for the day, depending on how you're using the boat. Next thing, dual live wells at the leaning post here, which is an option for the second. Great feature, the dive door. Pulling in fish, letting the kids jump off the boat for the day. You do also have a ladder that deploys overboard. As you come to the helm, you'll notice triple helm seats, which is a great feature on a 33-foot boat. At the helm, this boat is equipped with Yamaha Helm Master. Your electronics box, which there is nothing under there. All of our Grady-Whites come blank. We let the customer choose their preference as to what they're going to put under there. We did the isinglass package on this boat, which gives you the full wraparound curtains and the wing curtains. As we move forward, you'll notice down below, having the generator aboard the 336, you get AC heat, a full berth, sink, full head, and shower, which is very nice. Moving forward to the bow, you'll notice we have the forward-facing backrest, which just makes this boat a great day boat. You do have fish boxes up under each seat here. And last but not least, your recessed windlass as your anchor comes through the hull. Thank you for watching this video. We're always open at MarineMax.com. Thank you.